Have you ever?
Alright, so you're finally married to the love of your life. Can you please tell us a brief story on how it all started? Well, I know for one, you were in the same secondary school. I wouldn't know. Is there a story there for us?
Yeah, we went to same secondary school, Creative Mind Foundation, and back then she was just one of those girls in school. You know, it was like magic. It just happened. You know, it just happened. We linked up and connected. You know, and from there, I couldn't control every other thing that happened.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Baby, when you smile, you look so beautiful. See the way you find, you look so natural. Baby, when you touch, it's so magical. Everything you do, it's so wonderful. They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes.
To me, it's still a mystery that has never been unraveled, and I'm not sure I'll be able to unravel it till the end, you get. So it's an adventure I'm willing to partake in for the rest of my life as well. So.
It's Gazi Clef Productions.
Your husband, he told us the love story was magical, is magical, and will continue to be magical. Is that so?
Yeah, he's so right on that.
Alright, so what do you wish the couple, all of you, what do you wish?
More blessings, more money, more love, babies, you know, lots of babies.
You like babies too much?
Well, they're about the main reason why people get married. Yeah, the Bible said, be fruitful and multiply. So when two people come together, we expect babies, you understand? It's the fruit of their joy. That's what we're waiting for. We can't wait, we can't wait.
So when are you getting married to get your own baby?
Next wedding you see me, ask me.